with Trump signing an executive order in March this year, announcing the establishment of a Bitcoin strategic reserve in the U.S. and the recent establishment of Bitcoin strategic reserves in New Hampshire, Arizona, and other states. A wave of crypto strategic reserves has swept across the globe. Besides national governments and sovereign wealth funds, many well-known companies worldwide have also jumped on the bandwagon. They've joined the buying spree. This has started a new trend of corporate Bitcoin strategic reserves, like the massive reserves of companies like MicroStrategy in the US, constantly accumulating large amounts of crypto. Let's look at some examples. For example, on May 9th, Japanese company STDI Metaplanet purchased over 1,000 Bitcoins. Their total holdings now reach 7,800. May 20th, U.S. renewable energy management company Creo, with a market cap of $9 million, increased its Bitcoin holdings, implementing the company's Bitcoin treasury strategy. May 21st, Brazilian publicly listed payment company C6 Bank plans to purchase an additional $26.5 million worth of Bitcoin as part of its newly established treasury strategy. May 21st, publicly listed Singaporean orthopedic medical group Baseime Biomedical announced it reached a $1 billion Bitcoin purchase agreement to diversify its treasury reserves. On the same day, a Chinese car sales company listed on Nasdaq approved a Bitcoin reserve plan to purchase 1,000 Bitcoins within the next year to enhance risk hedging capabilities. May 13th, Las Vegas-based construction technology company Boxable announced its adoption of a Bitcoin reserve strategy, allowing the company to use part of its assets to buy Bitcoin. So, we can see, more and more traditional and non-traditional companies globally are beginning to realize the value and function of mainstream cryptocurrencies. They're actively exploring this new area of the digital economy. With the gradual establishment and improvement of regulatory frameworks and rules regarding cryptocurrencies in major jurisdictions worldwide, corporate crypto strategic reserves will become very common. Then, whether companies in various countries have the strength and competitiveness on a global scale, crypto strategic reserves may be a very important factor in the evaluation. Faced with this trend,